happened as I let it slip. I was confused by the powers that be, forgetting names and faces. Passers-by were looking at me as if they could erase it. Baby, did you forget to take your meds? Baby, did you forget to take your meds?
Welcome to Trans and Money Community. My name is Tony, and today's video we are going to analyze the price of Bitcoin and maybe some altcoins. A spectacular short. We were talking in the Spanish channel all this last week and all this weekend, and finally happened. And now, so okay, fantastic. We have the short. Congratulations, everyone. Now, next step. I think it's gonna bounce at 57,557. Something around there. Is gonna completely stop the short? No, but I think we have a bounce now 57,550, a potential short. So I already make 57,500, 57 and 56,200 because we have more than 200 Bitcoins. So I think we're gonna have a bounce around there. So I'm gonna paint right now the supports and resistance. Spectacular. So we have this drop from yesterday of 4%. Incredible. So right now let's go for the next, because these next 48 hours are gonna be spectacular, because as you know, because our Transane community website, we can see that we have interest rate decision in about 48 hours. So now the rumors were that maybe they're gonna cut 50 basic points, and some people already is betting for 0.75. In fact, the European Union is asking for 0.75 cut rate. Incredible. What we can see in the following 48 hours, I think we can make history. Don't forget that we don't have cut rates since COVID. So this, maybe they're trying to flush out all the longs, because I think we can bounce after the FOMC. And right now I think we can go up to 56,800 or even 55,700, but I think it's gonna be this one. It's 56,700, something like that. More or less what I was saying from the order book. So I think now we have an opportunity. So I'm already closed the short, and now I'm preparing to enter long. So in fact, my first position is about to enter. So it's gonna keep going down? Probably yes, because we have 36 and 50,000 still here, but I want to try to take profit from this. Probably it's gonna be the three numbers I said before, 57, 56 lows, and then bounce to 58, something like that. Maybe it depends how strong is this order, and then maybe we can keep going down. But I'm gonna wait for how the price of Bitcoin is reacting in that region. Let me go back just a second. I'm gonna go for the 60s. So let me go here just a second. So bouncing 57, 500, 57, 56 low, maybe I will put the grid there to enter long, and then let's see if this 58 stop the price or not. That can be like 0.1%, 10x, 10%. So can be a nice bounce. Right now, start to react a little bit the price. We don't have big buys yet. Okay, so that's my game right now. So I'm going with that. I'm going with 57,500. So practically, where is the price? I hope. I don't know. Let's see. That one is gonna be 200 Bitcoins. Is good. And then we have the 57. That will be my second one. Here. This will be my second one with 200 Bitcoins. And then the third one is the 56,200. And then here I expect a bounce. So let's see if we can go to the 58. Depend how the order book react. So I'm gonna go to the 58, take profit there maybe. It depends how the order book react again. And if I see a lot of resistance, then I will enter short. If I don't see resistance, I will keep the longs open, okay? Because I think if they cut 50 basic points or 75, that will be super bullish, okay? So that's my opinion right now. And so that will be for the taking us along, okay? A small bounce here because I think, yeah, it's because the order book basically 57, 300 Bitcoins now, 57, 500, 200 Bitcoins, and 56, 200, 200 Bitcoins. So yeah, I think that can happen. And then we'll see if we going lower to the 50, 52, and even the 47 or more crazy, depending what the hell they are preparing now. I don't know if it's a war or what is it. By the way, thank you very much, Edgar, and hello, Marco. So that's are my positions right now. In fact, let me check. Yes, so I have 57, 56, 244, and 57, 530. Of course, I'm a little bit higher than the big supports. Oh, be careful because the 50, I don't know, but this is another one. Yeah. Okay, so sorry, no, because I was seeing that this has less than 100 Bitcoins. So for that reason, I was like, oh, be careful. But we still have this one, 240. So that's my position right now. Entering long around, let's say, 57 in this grid. And then the resistance. So let's go for the resistance because the situation is quite interesting right now. We have the 61, the real resistance, 61 with a grid. So let me put this back, 61 with let me see if I can do it this correctly. There we go. Okay, so here we are, 61 to 50, 61 to 50. Here this will be just 180. So let's see if it's charging when the price is getting closer. And then we have the 61 around this area and the 62. Okay, and 62 is this one. So maybe we are lucky and we're going straight here. It's gonna be today, it's gonna be tomorrow, I don't know. These are very thin right now. These are more powerful. Look, this 57 now is 300. So that's quite sizable liquidity. And then we still have the 50,000. So I don't say that it's not going to 50,000 or 52,000 or whatever, 47,000. But right now, and I'm gonna keep this one 52 and 50. I'm gonna keep these two because in fact they have quite a lot of liquidity. But the 52, no, 52 810. But I think we have a bounce. Well, already it's happening, right? Okay, good, nice. I will like a little bit deeper because I didn't enter in the high 550, right? No, not yet. So hopefully it's gonna still go a little bit lower, but let's see what we have. So for me, that's the situation right now. We have here some strong support. Which one is this one? This one, yeah, 57,500. Let's see what it's doing right now. And so this is for me the situation for Bitcoin, and critical, extremely high volatility. It's like we talking about since COVID, we didn't have cut rates. We had the opposite. So let's see the reactions of the market depending what the Powell is saying. But in my opinion, it's gonna cut rates. The question here is how much is gonna cut. 25 basic points, 50 or even 75 as the European Union is asking, right? You can check in Twitter. By the way, they shoot again Trump. How crazy is that? I didn't retweet, but yeah, I don't remember exactly who was the European Union leader that she was saying that Powell should cut 75 basic points. Anyway, okay, so there we go with Bitcoin. Now, let's see if we can even take another opportunity bigger than Bitcoin. That could be Solana or Toncoin. Let's see what do we have there. So we're gonna go to the Transfer Money website and we are going to first Solana. And in Solana, let me put here 100 for the filter. 128, 129, 12,000, 25, 125. In fact, I'm gonna take out this one and I'm gonna duplicate this one, and then I'm gonna take also Toncoin. Toncoin, let me see. Good. This is the version 2 of the website. Toncoin, we wanna put 2200. And 555. Let's see. Loading the liquidity. 121 still. So we probably we want to have a, well, we already have the bounce, right? I miss it for some dollars. No, we did 57,555. What the hell? And what I had 57 56. Fuck. 57,530 for $25. I didn't enter because if we do 57,555, that this is Asian number, because in Thailand means smile 555. So this is no. What I want to do is like, because we have the resistance at 500. How far is 57,555? 0.1%. Okay. No. Okay. So for next time. So I'm gonna go next time 0.1 009. No, in fact 001. 0.1 over the liquidity price. Yeah, okay, no problem. We can correct. Still is not a big issue. Next. But I'm gonna keep looking how react the 57 and 57,500 and the 58. For me, this is the key right now. So for Toncoin 555, nothing interesting. 5.3, so we have a bounce there. There are a lot of bots right now in Toncoin. They don't want to let the price drop. Solana we have $110. This could be interesting. $20,000 Solanas, $2 million. But I still gonna keep my positions to buy Solana below 100. Let's see if I'm lucky or not. Let me see. I have yeah, 101, 90, 96, 110. Today we have the top 30 more than $100 in Solana, so probably we're gonna have a bounce in the tomorrow, or say after tomorrow. It's going lower, 57,500. Seems that wants to bounce. For $25 I lost the long. Well, it's okay, it's not a big deal. Let's see how the price react, because probably it's gonna, let's see the reaction, because this 58 we have to take care that it's not growing very fast, because that will be a resistance, and then I will check again my entries. Okay, and so Solana nothing, and Toncoin nothing right now. Yeah, and yeah, very little liquidity. But the way, how is the liquidity today in futures Binance? We're gonna go to 40 millions. Very low volume. To be Monday is extremely low volume. So for me this means that maybe we still correcting more. So here is the key. These 58 are gonna be the key, I think. If this increase very fast and we have a resistance, maybe I'm gonna enter long. So let's see how we impact the price, impact the 58. We have 58,300, but still lower than $100. 100 bitcoins. Let's see. Tony, it's always good to leave a part of the position without a stop loss. Yeah, some people is taking like 50%, but I already closed the short. I was happy already, and now maybe I enter again. Let's see, but not 58. I'm fascinated now. Let me take out this one. 5.2 now in Toncoin, still 110 in Solana. So I'm gonna go also to, I want to see the price of Bitcoin now with maximum resolution. So we're gonna go to the version 3. There we go, version 3 Bitcoin, and we're gonna go for 56, and let's go for 58. So we have a lot of resolution now. In fact, maybe too much. Oh, we have a big gap that can drop super hard the price of Bitcoin. 58.76. The liquidity just dropped. Let me put 59 and 57 here. No, 56 better, yes. But we have a big hole of liquidity after the 57. Yeah, after 57, so we have 55, 52, but they are very thin. So the wow, we have a big change here. 57, yeah, still the same, a little bit less, but because we are far away from the price. Now the resistance is closer to the price. So let's see this reaction right now, because here we can try to recover the price or just be rejected, so we confirm this important zone is gonna be a support or resistance. Because if so, right now we have this is the handle of the cap, the handle of the cap that is gonna bring us higher than 100k. This is the handle and this is the cap. But what I'm interested now is in this region. We have this channel. This is the middle channel, plus if you check this one is the base. So just we break it, and also this trend line, the red one, that is coming from long time ago, since March 2023. So it's very extremely significant this point, and we have the price of Bitcoin has to decide if he breaks the support, or is gonna break it again and make it support. So this is what I'm waiting right now to see in the order book. Right now seems to be that we're gonna bounce this 57. We have a little bit less liquidity right now because we had 200, but look, 57 we have 300, and 56 200 230. So still for me the same. Still we have this 57, this region, for bounce or to keep the price. This we don't know 100% for sure. So how are you now? Are you short? Are you long? What is your strategy? Because of course if we don't keep this, we can go to the 52.50. So but we have 48 hours for the FOMC to decide the rate, interest rate. So this is key, and before that we have retail sales in 21 hours, and seems are gonna be bad. So if retail sales are bad in US, maybe we have the 75 points cutting rates, the 0.75%, and that will be ultra mega powerful for the markets, because that means they're gonna print a lot of money. And we have the elections, so I think they're gonna push for a big cut rate and then pump. But until there, probably is gonna correct. Let me see how is now. Bitcoin B3, we wanna go for this one, and still we have the same. Fantastic. So let's go. Now seems that is stable the price after this big drop. The problem is that it's going up, so it's gonna be resistance. I think we have to keep looking this one, but seems it's gonna be a resistance. The 58 still a very thin. 84 for me is still not resistance, but if we get close to 150 100 200 150 200 bitcoins, so like more than $10 million in this specific price, then I consider that can be a resistance, and we can correct to the 57. And then when we're getting close to the 58, I'm gonna watch how these 57 500 57 500 550 500 57 they're gonna react. Because if we keep the 300 in the 57, then I'm gonna enter long in the 57. But I need this one to keep 300 bitcoins or something like that, and 57 500 close to 200 bitcoins or more. But let's see, because seems like right now the volume is getting lower. And how is doing Toncoin? Now we have 4.6. 4.6, yes. 4.6, yes. I'm gonna enter in 4.6. And for Solana, 101. We have 101. No, so I'm going for this one. 4.6 at Toncoin. This one, yes. 4.6. So I'm gonna go to Toncoin. Do you know this is my favorite exchange, Mexc? You have down below in the description of the video. Yep, we are in the 58 right now, almost. The link to open an account in Mexc, okay? And if you open an account in Mexc with our link, so you can go to the website, our website, and you can log in, and then you can have the pro or premium version for free if you are a trader. So I'm going to Toncoin, and there I'm gonna enter long in the 4.6. Let me see, can I enter Toncoin? Here we go. Let me see how it's now. There we go. Let me check. Let's see the reaction. 85, still not very strong. Is this blue line, this horizontal blue line is the 58. Super close to the price, so let's see. Let me see if I can enter in Ton. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go exactly the same like Bitcoin for 0.09. That's gonna be my entry. So I'm going to enter in the 4.6. This Solana, but doesn't matter, no? So I enter $4.6. This is the liquidity floor, and I'm gonna enter 0.09. That's gonna be 4.604. That's gonna be my entry. Okay, so if I'm lucky, I'm lucky. If not, no. And this one I'm gonna put $1,000. Open long. There we go. Great. And what else? That's it. So now we have a lot of opportunities in the market. This is gonna be interesting. Now for my entry in 57,500, 57 and 56,200. Right now seems to me that this will be the point where I should take profits if I'm going to sleep. That will be 12%. Yeah, it's okay. 50, let's do the same. 58,000, that will be the ceiling, liquidity ceiling, and I'm gonna go the same, so it's 52.2. So that will be my take profit. Let's see if I can do it, because I have a lot of entries now. Well, let's see if I'm lucky and I can enter in the live stream. I don't think so, because it's going super slow right now. And how is Solana? I think I'm gonna take out Solana, because if not, we are using a lot of resources. Let me see if we can update it. Yes, so still 101. So this one we close. And this is Bitcoin. There we go. Wow, we have a big sell here. Incredible. So thank you very much everyone for the like and for the new subscribers. And if you want to use the website, you know, you have the link down below. It's transcend.money, and also you have the Twitter account. And if you want to open Mexc or Bingx exchange, you can use the UID to open the website. And if you are a trader, you have for free the website. Okay. Right. So is increasing 58. So probably it's gonna be resistance. So now the point is, could I enter here in short? Yes, but I think there's a little bit more risk. Why? Because the liquidity is smaller. So there is more liquidity right now in the in this zone. So I'm waiting. Not so sure that this is increasing now. 100 bitcoins. Not so sure if this is gonna be enough to make a resistance with 100 bitcoins. It depends of the traders here. I'm a little bit sad because I didn't take this long for $25. Now it's getting even less. The 57 is below 300 bitcoins right now, $70 million. So still strong because it's more than 200 bitcoins. You see, there are more resistance, but the liquidity is smaller. So there's very few liquidity. So the small liquidity means to me that we can have a correction. Still, we can correct more. But this one is not so strong. 100 Bitcoin. 0.2% from the price right now. So what we do is increasing right now, 102. So more and more people is joining the short in the 58, but still not so many, like $5.8 million, not people. Interesting. So let me take a little bit zoom out. So look, here we had something similar, right? We had a bounce and then a crash. So still we can go down, yeah. If tomorrow the retail sales are bad in US, that can be a sign to concern the market. And then hopefully Powell is gonna cut the rates, so we can have a little bit a pump. So that's gonna happen in 21 hours, and seems they are gonna be bad. That's the forecast. That is what people think. So yeah, now I'm a little bit in the middle where 57. I think we already have the bounce. So, but then the question is, then look, now we are very close to the 58, 0.09%. Here we have some trader that when the price went down, they were ready to buy very strong. Red is like 400, 500 bitcoins. So that means now the buyers start to be prepared. So let's see if I can enter in the 57. I think I'm gonna keep it the 57. That's a little bit more risky, obviously, than the 52. The 52.50 is ideal, right? But I'm gonna try this 57, and I'm gonna place the take profit. Okay, so let's see. For example, here in the 4.6, I could go for 5 to take profit. 4.97, let's say, 79%. Okay, that will be nice bounce. And then for this one, 57, for 57, the take profit, I'm gonna place it 57,988 will be 70%. That's very small, but I'm gonna keep it because I'm gonna go to sleep. And then this one also, I'm gonna do 57,988, 31%, and this one also. And then if we don't touch, then I will change to a stop loss with warranty gains. 57,988, 7% this one. Very small, but okay, no problem. So there we go. That's what I'm gonna keep. I will try to follow up this because in my opinion now when we have so much volatility, we have to keep track of the order book in real time, just in case we have some kind of change of sentiment, instant change of sentiment. But right now I'm gonna keep these positions. So I wish you very good luck with your trades, and I hope you enjoy a lot these days because I think we're gonna have quite intense market, so a lot of opportunities. Thank you very much. Have a good trade. Good luck with your trades, and I wish you health, luck, and love, and see you in the next